Hi, in front of me is TCL 20 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down, select System, click on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Gboard. Over here tap on Theme and click on Show More to see all available ones. When you're done, you can click on one of those images. Tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on and tap Apply. You can do the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back and access my keyboard, I can see that theme of it has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!